In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own contact poster so that you have control of the pic or memoji that shows up on everyone else's iPhone when you call them. It's quick, it's simple, and it's fun. Come on. Before we get started, make sure you're logged into your Apple ID and at a minimum need to have your name and phone number in your contact card. Now, start by launching the Contacts app, and at the very top of your list, tap on My Card. Then select Contact Photo and Poster. Hit Edit, and now hit the blue plus button in the bottom right corner. Next, we're going to choose a poster style. If you want to use a pic, you can go to your Photos app for an existing one, or you can launch the camera to take a new one. Choose Memoji if you'd like a more casual feel, or Monogram for a more sophisticated look. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Memoji. Once you select Memoji, you can then choose the particular Memoji you want to use. Then you get to choose from a bunch of facial expressions and poses. I like this pose, the one that looks like you're talking on the phone, so I'm going to select it and then hit Next. And now at the bottom left corner, you can tap the little circle and change the background color. There's several colors to choose from, and you have a slider that makes each of them lighter or darker. Select the multicolored circle in the upper left corner and you gain even more control. You can choose your background color from sliders. You can enter the hex color code, use the color spectrum, choose from a color grid, or you can use the eyedropper tool to select a color from your own Memoji. I'm going to select this light color in the stripe on my shirt. There we go. That looks good. Now, let's click on my name. This gives you 4 different fonts to choose from. You can change the thickness of the font and the color. When you get it the way you like it, just hit Done up at the top. That takes you to a preview of what other iPhone users see when you call them. Now hit Continue. Now this is a photo that shows up beside your text messages. Tap Crop to resize it if it needs it, and then hit Choose. Then pick a background, and once again hit Done up top. Now tap Continue and Done. Well, there you go. Now you're a contact poster pro. So now call somebody you love and show it off. And as always, if I taught you something, appreciate it. You hit that like button down there and come on back and watch some more videos. See ya.